Good morning, guys. Good morning. I know I just woke up. I'm looking like a hot mess. But guys, I'm here editing my video and realized I didn't even do an intro for this video. I keep doing that all the time. Anyway, guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys Guyana drive-through market. Once you have a car and you want to get stuff for the market, you can drive to the market and shop. You don't even have to come out your car. So I'm going to show you guys the Guyana drive-through Bourda market basically. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I want to ask you guys to please watch the ads in my video. Pretty please. And today you guys are going to get 3 videos because I have these vlogs in my phone. I have to clear my phone so I could get space to make more videos to you guys. And I have to upload my cake videos as well. So I'm just going to get these vlogs out of the way so you guys can get 3 videos today. Alright, guys? So I hope you guys... I know I keep saying guys all the time. I hope you all enjoy watching this video and look out for another video later on in the day. Alright? And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the love from all my subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this Guyanese shopping in the market vlog. Alright, so see you in the next video later on in the day. Enjoy, guys. Alright, guys, so right now I'm passing by the culture center here. I'm headed to town. Okay, guys, so I just called the insurance company and they said the office closed, so that's a fail. So I have to I guess I have to leave my house early tomorrow and to come pay for this insurance and get it because my insurance up today. Yeah, insurance up. Hopefully no police and stuff me. Because I never do a ticket right now. Not this Christmas time, I don't want no ticket. Hell no. No. So now, guys, I'm headed down North Road. This is North Road. And like next opposite is the Church Street. So I'm driving down North Road now, and I'm headed to Bourda market, but I'm not coming out of the car. Today we're gonna do the drive-through Bourda market. Yeah, we're just driving through the market and stopping and buying our stuff. Yeah, Guyana got drive-through market, guys. Drive-through market. Over there, I don't think you guys can see, is our casino, Carnival Casino and hotel sleeping. Bakewell Bakery. I like the flatbread, so Bakewell. Alright guys, I'm heading straight down to Bourda drive-through market. So I'm gonna reach, put back my camera. And coming up here guys is the gentleman bar, Baroom Bar. This is where all the gentlemen go. It's Baroom Bars. Get your ladies there. Alright guys, so this is what I mean by drive-through market. You just drive to the market through Rob Street and you just slow down, buy what you need to buy and continue. You don't even have to come with your car guys, you don't even have to come with your car. But the only thing is that it can be a long process because remember people shopping and driving at the same time, so people it can take some time. It can take some time. I think I want buy some tangerine. Hello? 5 tangerine for 100? Yes. He said 10. Okay, buying 10 tangerine here, guys. In tangerine. Thank you. No, yeah. It's tangerine. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, I'm still driving to the market. So you got like different stands selling fruits and so. Yeah. This is a drive-through market guys. One thing is it takes a lot of time because there's a lot of traffic, but the good thing about it, you don't have to come out your car. So that's a good thing about it. You don't have to come out your car. $100 for apple. How is the apple? Let me see the $100 one. I'm getting 6 apple guys. There we go.
Any orange? Tangerine?
I didn't come buy all this today. I just buy tangerine. How's the mango selling?
Yeah, that's one.
Orange for 200?
Yeah.
4 for 200? Alright. Give it 4. There's a 200 left, huh? Sweet fig banana?
200 a pound.
Alright, give it that then.
What video in distance?
Yeah. No, as video like things we're doing around town and stuff. Just a video stuff we're doing around town. I'm going shopping and just videoing it. Alright guys. Alright guys, so guys, so this is the so this is the drive-through market for Bourda. Bourda drive-through market guys. This bag here. People are skeptical of saying, what you been looking for? This is a good way of shopping guys. You don't even have to come out your car at all. You just sing your car and drive through and shop where you need to get. Rat. I hate rat. Okay guys, so the main ingredients that I came here to buy is the sorrel. How much a bag of the sorrel? How much? A piece of 4 bag. So buying 4 bag of sorrel, guys. No, that's it. So buying my sorrel, guys.
Colorado.
Oh Lord. Come on, you want to stay with me, man? Alright, thank you. So guys, if you want to get your sorrel, come right on the road and so Alexander. Yeah. Alright guys, so you see I'm getting everything I need to get and I don't even have to come out my car. That's right, to marketing is a good idea, bye. Good idea. So now guys, I have to one other thing I want to get is egg. Egg. I'm still in the drive-thru market here. Oh god, let me take out this money one time so I can buy it. I want to buy 3 eggs. I hope all this sorrel can do with what I want to do, guys. I invented my own little cake, guys. Alright, let me carry Sarah moving on, put that on the camera. Alright guys, so I'm gonna buy my egg right to this man. He's so how much? Put it in the basket for me, please. Oh, how much is your coconut biscuit?
Huh?
200?
300.
Why not 2? Give me 2 now. Give me for 200 now. Huh? Well, give me 2 then. Give me 2 coconut biscuits.
1800.
Give me 2. What?
1800.
How 1800? 12 and 2, 14. Give me another coconut biscuit. Oh, you put 2. Look. Thank you. This is my Christmas gift, right?
This only 16
12.
and 400. 650 coconut biscuit.
I try to give me for 200.
2? No, I can't give it 2. If I buy for 2.
I give me back 100 and I get back 1 then. I got other things to buy.
Buy the coconut biscuits in the name shop.
I ain't got enough. I can get 100 more then.
Ah, look, I can put in the extra one. I can put in the extra one. I can do that. Right? You enjoy their Christmas gift.
Alright, I want you that Christmas gift. So just carry. Oh, this carry in this. So perfect. It's time like now you got to like bargain. Bargain, guys. Alright, I'm reaching at the ending of the drive-thru market. This side is like the plantains and stuff. This is some of the plantain by the bunches and so this side is some. So I go to the supermarket now and get fruit. Don't get $1100 no. 1200 take too. Ah, let me stop. Give a white egg. Okay, it sounds brown when you give me. Oh, that's the apple. What's you want? So now we're reaching at the end of the market here. A lot of these people are parking. These people are just fucking ridiculous. Oh guys, sorry for cussing. Yeah. So there's the end of the drive-thru market, guys. The ending of the drive-thru market.